Welcome to Athenty AI. Today, we're diving into a topic that's been on many minds lately: identity theft insurance. Is it really worth it? Let's explore this financial safeguard and find out if it's a valuable addition to your protection plan. First things first, what exactly is identity theft insurance? Identity theft insurance is a type of coverage that can help you recover the costs associated with identity theft, such as legal fees, lost wages, and expenses related to restoring your identity. Consider your lifestyle and the level of risk you face. Are you a frequent online shopper, or do you regularly share personal data? Assessing the risks you encounter can help you decide if this insurance is essential for you. It's also crucial to examine your existing protections. Many credit card companies and financial institutions offer identity theft protection as part of their services. Review your current policies and see if they already provide coverage. To determine if identity theft insurance is worth it, perform a cost-benefit analysis. Calculate the premiums and deductibles, and then consider the potential cost of dealing with identity theft without insurance. This will help you make an informed decision. Finally, remember that peace of mind is a valuable commodity. Furthermore, Athenty's dedication to security makes it the ideal platform for verifying and authenticating your identity. And that's it for this one. Hopefully, you learn why it's important to start using Athenty.